Listen, if your skin looks tired, dull, or just not cooperating, this right here might be the glow you've been missing. And no, we are not doing those harsh apricot scrubs today. Mature skin don't like fighting. It likes gentle love. Today is Facial February Day 12, and we're doing a coffee and honey glow facial. And baby, this one wakes your face up. Yeah, I said honey again, y'all. I love honey facials. Listen here, let me tell you all about this facial today. Let me explain. Coffee isn't just for your morning. It actually stimulates circulation in the skin, and honey, that's nature's moisturizer and healer. Today, they gently brighten the face without scratching or damaging your skin barrier. Let me just talk about and break out the benefits of these ingredients. Coffee stimulates circulation, helps dull skin look brighter, may temporarily reduce puffiness, and it has antioxidants that help fight environmental stress. This honey is a natural humectant that's going to pull moisture into the skin, soothes irritation, helps soften fine line appearance, and supports the skin barrier. Now, this is something you're going to be able to use 1 to 2 times per week. 1 to 2 times per week only. Do not do this daily. Coffee is still an exfoliant, even though it's gentle. And the best time to do this is in the evening. So this will be one of your evening facial routines. And as always, make sure you have a clean face. Let me just show you how to make this facial mask. Of course, it's super simple, and the ingredients are super simple. Coffee grounds and honey, 2 things you probably already have in your kitchen. Just take 1 teaspoon of very fine coffee grounds and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix until it looks like a soft caramel paste. And now the application, again, simple, but it matters how you do it. Do not scrub your face. Do not scrub your face. Definitely do not scrub your face hard. That's how people cause wrinkles and broken capillaries. Instead, what you want to do is press it onto the skin like you're frosting a cake. Gentle, upward motions only. And please avoid your eyelids and the under eye area. Now you're going to leave this on for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll feel a light tightening and warmth. That's circulation improving. Okay. Now once it's been on for about 10 minutes or so, use lukewarm water to rinse it off. We never use hot water. Never, never, never on the face. Hot water steals moisture from the skin, especially mature skin. Now just pat your face dry and look at that glow. No irritation, no redness, just soft, radiant skin. Now, of course, you're going to follow with your moisturizer or a facial oil. And as always, listen, I have my favorite facial oil. That's my Winter Skin Defense facial oil, and I will be using it. If you want to know more about it, just check the description box, babes. And there you have it. This is it. All done, looking grand. Hey, let me know if you try this one. Share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And beautiful babes, don't forget to tell a friend where you're hanging out at. Please, please share me with your world. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 13 of Facial February. Bye now.
I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide. Smile real wide. Still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back round.